Hi students. So we have another session of Brainiac's doubt clearance in front of you. So we have a new question here. So you could read the question. The number of electrons in 1.6 gram of methane is. Okay. Question looks very simple. So answer is also very simple. So but we will try to analyze the question, how to do it. Okay. So first we will talk about one molecule of methane. Very, very important. Okay. So one molecule of methane. So what is methane basically? Methane is CH4, correct? So we are talking about just one molecule of methane. So in one molecule of methane, how many electrons are there? One molecule of methane has how many electrons? How will you calculate that? Carbon has atomic number 6, so there will be 6 electrons. 6 plus hydrogen atomic number 1, so there will be 1 electron. So like that 4 hydrogens are there, so 4 electron. So 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So I can say has 10 electrons. Very, very important. So please remember two things. We are talking about just one molecule of methane. So one molecule of methane has 10 electrons. Now, this is the basic understanding. If they are asking you regarding the number of electrons, protons, neutrons, whatever be it, always find in one molecule how many electrons are there. This you need to find out first. Then what they have given to you, they have given to is now here 1.6 gram. Now convert this 1.6 gram of methane to number of molecules. Then we know that in one molecule how many electrons, then multiply that with the number of molecules, then you will get the total number of electron. So we will see how to convert 1.6 gram to number of molecules. So we have a fundamental relationship, you might be remembering, molecular mass. So molecular mass of methane is 16 gram, correct? So 16 gram CH4 we have learned as fundamental. Molecular mass of any compound will contain Avogadro number of electrons, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules will be there, correct? Please remember one more thing, that is we can say the molecular mass of any compound will always have how many number of molecules? Avogadro number of molecules of that particular compound, okay, of CH4, correct? Now 16 gram of CH4 has 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of CH4. But what is given to you? 1.6 gram. So how to convert 16 gram to 1.6 gram? Divide by 10 on both sides. Correct? Divide by 10 on both sides. So this will become 1.6 gram CH4, and when you divide here by 10 it will become 6.022 into 10 power 22 molecules of CH4. So right now we have calculated 1.6 gram of methane will have how many molecules? How much? 6.022 into 10 power 22 molecules will be there. I know that one molecule of methane has 10 electrons. Now tell me 6.022 into 10 power 22 molecules will have how many electrons? 6.022 into 10 power 23 electrons. Correct. So I will write it in this way. One molecule CH4 has, okay, 10 electrons. Now how many molecules we have? 6.022 into 10 power 22. How we have got that? Because this came from 1.6 gram, correct? Because 1.6 gram has 6.022 into 10 power 22. Why we go for 1.6 gram? Because that is what they have asked in the question. So 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecule CH4 has. So how you have converted 1 into 6.022 into 10 power 23, multiplying by 6.022 into 10 power 23. So multiply the same value on the RHS also. So this will become 10 into 6.022 into 10 power 23, correct? So here I have made a mistake. This is not 23. So I will just rub that. Okay. So this is okay. So you should be very careful while taking down the values. Okay. So this is 10 power 22 because 6.022 into 10 power 22. So 6.022 into 10 power 22 molecule of CH4 has 10 into 6.022 into 10 power 22 electrons. Correct. So what is the answer you will get? How many, what will be the value? 6.022 into 10 power 23 electrons. So now you know that 6.022 into 10 power 22 molecules. What is this equivalent to? This is equivalent to 1.6 gram. So that means that 1.6 gram CH4 has 6.022 into 10 power 23 electrons. That is option C. Okay. So the strategy is very simple. They can give either the mass, mole, or whatever be the case. First, you find for one molecule how many electrons, then convert that mass or molecule to corresponding number of molecules. Correct. So now we know that one molecule has how many electrons. So the corresponding number of molecule has how many electrons you can calculate. So that will be the respective answer for that question. So if you have liked the explanation, please subscribe our channel so you will get more videos of same kind and it will help you for getting very good marks